Hello everyone, welcome back to Colorado channel. Spring Festival breaks over finally, and our sock printer have been chilling for over a week. At this moment, don't just plug it in and hit right away the print. But the machine needs a warm-up, just like us, after a long time off. And starting it wrong can mess things up, and you might get the clogged nozzles and the ink splatters and even the head crashes. So today with the video, I'd like to share the 4 quick checks, ensure that you can get into the production smoothly. First step, check the print head. That is the first priority actually. So before that, we do the cleaning for all heads. So this cleaning head needs to be sure that once if any stained dried ink on the top side of the head, it could be clogged the nozzles. So after this cleaning, it will be cleaned totally and ensure the nozzles will be flow frequently for the ink later during print. And after cleaning, we do the head check. So with this checking, you can see if the lines aligned. So with this check, you could see the print head status. If the lines are sharp, no fuzzy, and it aligned properly, so each color, the line aligned properly. Step 2, check the ink system. So first check the ink tank. If all the colors of the ink are enough for printing. If it is less ink, and then at this moment, you need to refill the relevant color of the ink. Secondly, you need to check if the secondary ink box, the ink level are enough. And the most important thing is the plate needs to be opened after the long rest. Step 3, mechanic checking. So manually move the cartridge out and see any weird sounds. Without any sound, it means it's running smooth. And next, needs to check the belt and the rail. If any dust or the fibers on it, use the non-woven fabric to clean it softly. And for the rail, you can use the lubricant a little bit. And don't skip the print height. So any different sock loaded up on the roller, do the different thickness of the sock. You need to check the print head if touches on the surface of the sock. So the print height checking is necessary. Otherwise, it's easy to break the head. Step 4, alignment calibration. So here, color just print, adjust, print. We need to get the precision back. Print a calibration sheet, print a calibration sheet. Check if the lines of each one is matching each other perfect. Ensure that each color, the data 0 is with the perfect connection. Okay, after you've done for about 4 steps of checking, and now you can just grab this paper on the roller and do the testing and running with this ink. And after that, you can just start your production. Okay, so during the checking or any calibration issue, you can let me know and leave your message here, and I will try my best to help you. So hope you will have a bright future in the 2026.